Hey guys, it's Talia and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I decided to film my affordable eyebrow routine. This is what I do when I do my makeup, showing you guys how to do my eyebrows and giving you step by step how to create and achieve a perfect eyebrow. If you guys enjoy this video, hopefully you find it helpful. If you guys are new, my name is Talia. Welcome to my channel, guys. You guys are always welcome. I'm so glad that you guys are part of this video with me. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Just hit that red button and the notification bell so you won't miss any videos of mine. And if you guys really like this video, give it a huge big thumbs up. Let's just get started with the video, shall we? Today I'm going to be doing an eyebrow tutorial. The first thing you will need is, this is all affordable products, just to let you know, guys. It's just, I love it. I've been using these products for quite a while. For brow pencil, I normally use the NYX Professional Makeup Microbrow pencil. This one is the shade Expresso. I use this NYX Tame Frame Tinted Brow Pomade, so I use that one. Which this one's the shade Expresso. Ultra Brow Mascara Gel. You're gonna need a concealer, which is the COLOURPOP No Filter Concealer. I love this concealer and I've been using it so much and it works really good. I got the shade Fair 06. Brushes. These are affordable brushes, just to let you know, guys. I have these e.l.f. It's more like an square brush. This is what I'm gonna be using to apply my concealer and line it up. I'm gonna be using the Bless liner, which is this kind of angle like this, and then I'm gonna need a small angle brush from e.l.f. So these two are from e.l.f. This one is Bless, but let me just get a little bit closer, that way so you can see what I'm doing. I'm only gonna do one side. Before I do my eyebrows, I like to brush my eyebrows because it's just a habit for me that I need to brush my eyebrows. Quickly go up. I like to make a line, and basically I just follow my my brow. I do not want to make them thicker. I just want to follow my natural eyebrow line and just kind of go with it, you know. I'm gonna do a line, and then I continue doing it in the middle. You can start whenever, but I normally like to start in the bottom of my eyebrows and then create the natural line. And then I do it at the end of the eyebrow. I like to create that line. Go ahead and take my spoolie brush that comes with the pencil. And what I'm gonna do is I'm actually going to brush it upwards of my eyebrows just to give that really natural brow. And then I'm gonna go ahead and just brush it so the dark line won't be like really noticeable. I'm gonna go ahead and do the top. For some reason, I always like to start in the center of my eyebrow and then create that line, but I'm actually following the natural of my hair. Do not have like brow hair, so I really need to create that in the arch of my eyebrow. It's gonna go ahead and create that line. You can use one of these. This one is my brow wand by e.l.f. You can use that too, whichever is best. But I had this for a while and I like it too. So basically you're gonna brush, like blend it in, and then kind of brush your eyebrows. Kind of blend so that you won't notice the harsh line. I like to start in the center and then the end, just fill in the eyebrows. And then I'm just gonna brush my brows. I don't like to go with my pencil and fill it in the part of my eyebrows because you don't want the whole thing to be dark. I like to like blend it and kind of look like an ombre, but I just rather fill in the arch of my eyebrows. I feel like that needs to be more filled because I have less hair, but you really do not want to fill in this part of this area because it's not going to look pretty, and you want your eyebrows to look natural as possible. So I'm going to go ahead and just blend it because we did have that line and we create it from the top, so we're just going to blend it so it can look natural. Then what I like to do is I like to create a very long, not too long, but a long kind of arched tail in my eyebrows. I feel like it will look very nice in a way. And then I'm just gonna blend it in. Very hard to explain, not very good at explaining, but I hope this really helps. And then you're just gonna blend so you can see like an ombre. It's lighter and then it goes dark. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with the next Tame frame, and this one is Tinted Pomade. This one is the shade Expresso. Brush, I'm using my e.l.f. angle brush. Sorry for the mirror. And I'm gonna go ahead and take of these pomade. Start in the center, it's my habit, but you can start at the end of your eyebrows. You can basically start anywhere if you like, but just be careful, don't do this side of the area. You just want to keep it very natural. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take my angle brush and just start filling it in. Go ahead and take your brush wand and you're just gonna blend it in. Go ahead and we're gonna start concealing our eyebrows. Just carve them. And I'm gonna be taking my ColourPop concealer. This one is Fair 06. I'm just gonna apply this concealer back of my hand, and as we need it, I'll just grab and apply. I'm gonna show you how to line up your eyebrows. So first thing first, I like to start from the bottom of my eyebrows, and I like to line it. Make sure you line it with your eyebrows because you do want it to look very nice and clean eyebrows. And then for some reason I like to go upwards. And I know it looks so horrible, but trust me, it will look really good. Liner brush, and basically I'm just gonna blend the concealer. So use your fingers, whatever is best for you, but normally when I don't have time and I'm in a rush, I always like to use my fingers, and then after I'm done, wash my hands. But yeah, so this is what I normally do. Very clean, sharp eyebrows, and I'm just gonna go ahead and take this wand and then just like blend it. So you see it's like an ombre effect, and it goes light, medium, and then dark. Take more concealer, and I'm gonna carve the top of my eyebrows as well. So I'm just gonna line it up. So you gotta be careful on the top and not kind of like blend it in with your eyebrows. I normally try to be careful, and especially I like to look at the mirror and not go and mess up the eyebrows. Use concealer for top and bottom, and then I apply my foundation. But it was best you can also use foundation, that way it could be natural on the top. My finger, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and then just blend the top. And take the Wet n Wild Ultimate Brown Mascara. Focus like in the middle and the end of my eyebrows. I don't want to apply it in this area right here because I want it to look natural. I'm gonna go ahead and finish my other eyebrow. It's really helpful, and I really hope that you guys, and like I said, keep on practicing, never give up. That's how I learned. And yeah, so that's how I do my eyebrows. Hopefully the steps help you out. It was kind of hard to explain how to do your eyebrows, but I did try my best, guys. And hope you guys enjoy this video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.